Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and for my Bit of Munch lunch today, I've got Asda cheese and vegetable pie, which is a vegetarian meal, and it smells and looks very cheesy. Look at that, look at all the cheese sauce on it. It does smell good. Whether it tastes good, we will find out in a moment. Right, this is another one from the 3, 4, 750 range. I've already tried the chicken meal. If you watched that one, that was the one with the pathetic peas. Yeah, that's the one. There's no peas in this, but yeah, we'll see what it's like in a minute. And that chicken one, the chicken meal, the traffic light system was all greens. This one isn't. So just going by that traffic light system, that meal was a lot more healthy for you than this one. Because this one has got amber, red, green, red. Right, carrot, swede and broccoli in an extra mature cheddar sauce, topped with buttery mash and a red Leicester cheese crumb. So that's two lots of cheese. And looking at the ingredients, you've also got cheese flavour paste, which doesn't actually have any cheese in it, it's just got flavourings. But it's another cheese flavour, so... Right, the percentages of this, 38% potatoes, 7% extra mature cheddar, 6% carrot, 6% swede, 5% broccoli. And usual other stuff like iron, niacin and thiamine, which is in blooming everything these days. Right, what was I going to tell you? Oh, it's 400 grams. Right. If this isn't cheesy enough, then I'm going to add some cheese. But it definitely looks cheesy. Oh, it smells really, really nice. Right, let's try some of this sauce from the edge first. Go right round that, see what that's like. Reasonably strong cheese taste. Not as strong as I was expecting, but let's try that other bit. There's a little bit of broccoli in that. And a bit of the mash. Then I'll open it up and we'll have a look inside. That was a lot more cheesy. Wow. I was a bit dubious about trying this one. So I thought cheese, mash and veg, what's it going to be like? So far it's pretty good. Okay, let's see if I can open it up. If I can. Oh, look at that. Ah, and I've got a load stuck to it. Right, stick that over there. There we go. That's what it looks like inside. Big old lump of broccoli there, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but in something like this, it should be all right. Now, children, never eat food off your knife. I have to say, it came out of the tray quite easily. And what I've started doing with things like this, there's the tray. What I do, I cut down that edge, and then push it out. And it seems to work quite well. Right, this big old bit of broccoli here. God, that is big too. And it feels rock hard. Look at that. I can hardly get my fork in it. What did I do with the... Oh, I put the knife in the bowl, didn't I? There it is. Right, I'm going to cut that. There we go. Okay. Right, initial impression was, my God, that's really hard. But it's not actually that bad, especially once I've added the mash. Let's try a bit of carrot. Fine. A bit of swede. God, that that feels hard as well. Okay. A little hard, yes. Same with the broccoli, a little hard, but not really too bad. But the overall taste is actually really nice. There's another bit of broccoli in this. Let's see if that's only a little bit, see if that's the same. That was fine. Bit of the mash on its own. I'd say the mash is really smooth. And overall, it is very, very cheesy. I'm impressed with how cheesy that is actually. But this big old bit of broccoli here, I'm not going to eat that stalk. I'm really not. Right. That stalk is going to go in the bin in a minute. I'm not eating that. Right, let's just investigate. Give it a good old turn over. Make a right mess of it. Yeah, it seems like that was the only huge lump of broccoli in there. So we'll forgive it that, I suppose. Okay, let's try a bit of everything here, I think. Absolutely fine. So, I like the mash. The mash is good. It's overall it's well seasoned. It's very cheesy, which I'm impressed with. I really am, because usually when things described as cheesy, is this cheesy? Yeah, cheese and vegetable pie. You know, cheese being the first thing you see. Cheese and vegetable pie. And you think, it won't be cheesy. But this is. I'm impressed with that. That bit of broccoli was a bit hard. But then, it might just be personal preference, because I like my veg soft. You might prefer the veg like this, I don't know. Let's just try one more bit of the swede, with some mash of course, and see what that's like. Absolutely fine actually. I think it was just that one big old stalky bit of broccoli that let it down, but overall, I'm impressed with that, I really am. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would, but not that often. It's not the sort of thing I would want very often, but I would definitely buy it again, and it'd be interesting if I do buy it again to see if it's got a massive great bit of broccoli stalk in it. Okay, so that's what I think of that one. Interesting one, that. It's one for the vegetarians amongst you. The next one in this range that I've got isn't vegetarian. I might freeze it actually, I don't know. So you might not see that one for a while, or you might see it tomorrow. Who knows? I don't know what I'm going to do from day to day. There you go, Asda cheese and vegetable pie. Told you what I think about it. I'm going to go and eat it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like here. I'll try again, shall I? Right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video.